Okay, this model kit review is of the German Panther tank, and it is a 1/76 scale model by Airfix, and this is one of the vintage classics, which they've just brought out some of their older molds from before. Here you can see some of the details there and dimensions, and over here is our painting and decal guide. So everything's brown, yellow, or kind of sand color, almost like a khaki color, with some very few decals there. Let's have a look inside and see what we have. So because this is 1/72 scale, it's obviously going to be a little smaller. So here are our rubber treads, and not a lot of detail there, and definitely you can see the molds are older. You get parts that are sticking off that'll need to be trimmed. You just need to trim them like that. Unfortunately, the rubber is pretty soft, so you can do that. So that'll need to be trimmed, and then you just join them up. Here is our tank hull with some nice detail on the side, or the tops here, and the top as well. Here's our front of the main gun. We've got some parts here for the hatches. Looks like this is the back. And over here we have our, looks like probably the underside. We've got our main, our turret here, and this is for the, you can see the hinge there. That's the part that's going to go up and down for the main gun. And that probably, hard to say what that is. And here we have the side. This is where the tracks are going to go. Here we have all our wheels. Here's the other side, also with wheels and sprockets, the drive sprockets. And then all the axles. Okay, here we have our decals. There are only 5 decals. Let's have a look at our instructions. So, some details here about the tank. And we're going to start off here with our axles. And we're going to build the back and sides. And all of our wheels go on there. And then the drive sprockets. Next we're going to put on some accessories and hatch covers for the tank. And then we put our main gun together with the turret and the tracks. So there's the main gun. I think we missed that earlier. It's a very simple little kit to build, but it's a fun little model.